Hi friends, it's Sue at Sculpted Onyx. Thanks for joining me today. So as you can tell from the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you why I no longer do acrylic toenails. So yeah, let's get into that. Okay, so as you can see here, my client's big toe looks a little funky, and on the right, but her left side of her toe, it looks very yellow, and that is because all of that toenail is completely lifted and needs to be removed. So we're gonna just go in with our regular prep process, starting off with cutting the toenails, and we're going to also be removing all of this lifted toenails with my cuticle nipper. And after the nails are all clipped down and I removed all the lifting on the big toe, I'm just going to go in with my normal prep process by first, filing the toes to the shape we want. And then I'm going to go in with my different electric file bits to help me clean up all the dead skin and prep the nails for our next step. So now that my client's toes are all prepped, we're going to just cleanse them really quick. And then as you can see, even with half of her toenail missing, her toe still looks pretty good, but we're going to make them look better by adding a toenail extension. And we're going to do that right now. So this is the Pedisafe toenail reconstruction kit. This is the reason why I'm not going to be using acrylic for toes anymore. So as you can see, this kit comes with a bunch of stuff, literally everything you need to do a toenail extension. This is what the company Fanair created these products for. So when we open the box, we've got brushes, we've got the file, which you saw me use at the beginning of the video. It comes with a cleanser, which I used, and the pink bottle is the thing to remove the tacky layer. Comes with 2 sets of gel, which I'll get into, some polish, manicure brush, and literally everything. You don't need to, this comes with everything, just everything. So these are the 2 gel products that I'm going to be using to create the actual toenail. We've got the Connect Building Base Gel, and then the Modeling Structure Gel. Not only that, but the kit also comes with a LED lamp, which is super cool as well. So we're going to be using that to cure our products today. To prevent cross-contamination, I added a little bit of the Connect bonding base adhesive gel. This is basically like a base coat, so you just go ahead and do like a nice even coat of this base gel and then cure. And I did the same thing with the modeling structure gel, put it in a separate container, the dap and dish that was included. Take a little decent dollop amount and add that to the part of the toe where there is no toenail at all, to kind of fill in that gap. And again, I'm not a gel person. I am transitioning from acrylic to gel, so it doesn't take me too long to I mean, I get how to use gel, so I know how to do it, but I was just being very mindful of how I was using the gel, I guess. I mean, but it turned out well anyway, so I guess I did okay for my first time really doing a gel enhancement. And I'm just gonna use my little French manicure brush to wipe off that edge there. And then I cured that first layer, and I'm going in with the second layer to kind of structure the toenail better. After that second layer is cured, I'm going to wipe off the nails with the cleanser that's included in the kit. And then I'm going to begin my filing and shaping process to make sure that our new toenail looks as natural as possible. And here is the final result. We have our new nail on the toe now. If you are interested in this kit, check my description box below. You can visit www.fanaircosmetics.com to purchase your own kit. I will also have a promo code in the description box as well, so you can save some money. And then I will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!